Hello everyone, welcome to the today's video. So you might be waiting for today's this week's vacancies, and here we go. We'll start with one internship, and later we will show what are the current openings into the different domain. Well, I must say there are lots of vacancies for freshers. After a long time, I found such a good openings starting from formulation development, production, QCQA, medical coding, pharmacovigilance, and yes, like companies like Pfizer is also hiring for ICSR case processing, like related to pharmacovigilance. I will share the link. I will show everything in this video. Just watch till end, and you will get to know everything. Well, the programs, the festives are going on. Like Onam is over, then Ganesh Chaturthi is over. Soon Navratri is coming, and then the Navratri. So in between, we shouldn't stop what we love to do. Well, I will share. Like one internship opportunity is there for the masters candidate who are masters into pharmaceutical sciences or biotech or into the healthcare segment, and having such skills like decision making, problem solving, analytical thinking will be an upper hand. Okay. Also, have the fluency of writing and speaking English is a plus. I will share like what are the responsibilities for the selected role. That is application of clinical judgment, critical thinking, and regulatory knowledge to the management of adverse event. Adverse event. Continuously expand the knowledge of Lilly components, Lilly compounds, products such as design of critical trials, safety profiles, etc. Continuously expand the regulatory expertise on easy collection of the case studies and expedited reporting requirements such as FDA, EMA, MHRA, PMDA, etc. Participates as a cross-functional team member of study team. Also have to access the individual report identifying gaps of information and the need of conduct follow-up to the clarity, seriousness, expectness, and the casualty of the case completion. We'll have to comply with internal and external timelines for managing the adverse event data entry. Also, the other requirements like responsible for completeness and accuracy of the data management within the GPS system, management of adverse event, the various sources, including but not limited to literature, patient support programs, that is PSP, clinical trials, spontaneous pregnancy, devices, Lilly market, etc. Okay. Also have to ensure the appropriate follow-up with the utilization of customer experiences and the mindset, whether the working of patient HCPs and investigations side by side. And the candidate have to prioritize the work to ensure the internal and regulatory timelines are met. Okay, so I will add the link for application into the description box. Well, I'm coming to the first job opening for this week. That is, Savista Global Solutions is hiring freshers for medical coding role. Here, BPharm, MPharm, freshers or any other life science graduates who are willing to apply or willing to join medical coding industry, you are welcome to apply. You just I will just recommend and suggest, don't call to this given number. Just share your resume, updated resume, your name and your interest to the given number. If you getting shortlisted, then you will be called from the organization itself. Well, I'm coming to the next, that is Amneal Pharmaceuticals is hiring freshers for the QA department. That is what I'm saying. Like after many days, I got certain vacancies for freshers into different roles. Okay, for the QA, the job location will be Ahmedabad, and skills required like management of deviations, management of change control, market complaints, handling of OOS, OOT, and the lab incidents like out of specifications, documentations, etc. Handling of environmental monitoring excursions, investigation of deviations, incident and environmental monitoring excursions, so on and so forth. Also have to manage the kappas, okay, and having excellent investigation report drafting skills. All these things are for the experienced candidates as well here, because they need some candidate up to 2 years of experience too. But if you are a fresher, I will suggest to go through like what I told, the point you can note it down and read it from the scratch. If you willing to like join a QA industry, you have to handle all of these out of specification and the other things like audits, deviation, change control. These are the your main job descriptions. So I will suggest you to go through all these things from Google and read some literatures. You will get to know everything. Also, you have to the exposure, like learning exposure of regulatory audits like US FDA audit, MHRA, WHO, GMP, etc. So this will be helpful if you are appearing for an interview. I'm coming to the next. That is, TCS is hiring pharmacovigilance professionals who are having 1 to 4 year of experience in ICSR processing for the Pune location. Interested candidates can share their resume to the given mail ID. They have like bounded that if your notice period is more than 1 month, then don't need to apply here, because they need some urgent candidates for this particular role. I'm coming to the next. This Lupin is hiring experienced candidates having 2 to 5 years of experience in cell-based bioassays, also the binding ELISA. Here, MSc in biotech or in biochemistry is required. Interested candidates are requested to share their resume to the given mail ID. Pfizer is hiring BPharm FRESHERS. After a long time, Pfizer is hiring freshers as a safety data management. So 0 to 2 years of experience candidate are required here. The domain is ICSR, which is pharmacovigilance. The candidate who are experienced into PV and ICSR can also apply here. I will add the link into description box. You can apply from there. Okay, so what we'll have to do in terms of your contribution? You have to contribute to completion of project milestones and organize your own work to meet the project task deadlines. You have to provide the project teams with expertise on regulatory requirements and corporate policies that governing documents for regulatory submission. You will also support the worldwide strategy and regulatory teams by providing analysis of post-marketing safety data, review of medical literature and similar related activities. Also have to review the case criteria to determine the appropriate workflow for case processing. Okay, so this is the requirement, and a BPharm is a must. So if you are a MPharm candidate, you also can apply. There are no harm in application, but they need some BPharm candidates for this particular case processing role. Clarivate is hiring the candidates who are having the experience into market assessment, market research, both in either in primary or in secondary. Here, the life science graduates with MBA is a requirement for this role, and the good analytical skills, insight skills, prior experience in oncology and in the China market will be a plus for this particular role. And the company is hiring for Bengaluru location. Coming to the next, that is like they are recruiting in a mass scale, because ZSL they are hiring for multiple roles they are hiring, starting from drug safety associate, clinical research associate, medical writing. I'm telling you one thing, who are the freshers, you can apply. If you are interested for CRAs, then apply only in a single role. And if you are willing to apply for 2 roles, because drug safety associates and the clinical research associate are almost the similar for the freshers. So if you want to apply to the particular job role as a CRA or as a drug safety associate, then apply for a different mail, not in a single mail. Don't write that you are interested for the both roles, because it impacts a wrong manner, in a wrong manner to the recruiter. Okay. And for the medical writing also, if you are a life science graduate or a BPharm candidate, MPharm candidate, BSc, MSc candidate, all can apply to the given mail ID. This is particularly for Pune location. And again, I am telling you, if you are interested for drug safety associate as well as for the CRAs, then submit the individual mail for the different roles they are offering. Okay, I'm coming to the next. Again, one opening for the freshers, that is Future Market Insights. They are hiring freshers, BPharm, MPharm, BE, BTech, MSc, MBA, all can apply, but you have to apply to the directly career side. Okay, they are hiring directly, so you can submit your resume to the to their career sites. Okay, I'm coming to the next, that is Archimedes Healthcare Private Limited. They are hiring multiple roles: trainee formulation and development, executive analytical R&D, executive in production and in IPQA. For executive roles in analytical R&D, production and IPQA, you have to have minimum 3 to 4 years of experience into the particular field. Like if you are handling HPLC and GC, you can apply for the executive R&D. And if you are handling any production line or supervising in a particular company, you can apply for the executive production role, and similar for the IPQA. But for trainee formulation development, a fresh MPharm candidate in pharmaceutics is a good to go for this particular role, because they are hiring some freshers candidates. Coming to the next, that is Microlabs Limited. They are hiring for QA roles. Here, BPharm, MPharm with 2 to 8 years of experience candidate can apply. Also, for production, BPharm, MPharm with 2 to 6 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. IQVIA is hiring pharmacovigilance professionals as a safety associates. Bengaluru location. BPharm, MPharm with 1 to 2 years of experience candidate can share their resume to the given mail ID. Okay, I'm coming to the next. Lilly, I have already described everything. Strides Pharma is hiring formulation scientist. This is also for Bengaluru location. Well, after MPharm, if you have 5 years of experience and 5 to 7 years of experience into the relevant field, you can apply to the given mail ID, that is Actolab or Strides Pharma. You have to have the knowledge or skill sets combining with statistical evaluation, selection of statistical designs, interpretation of statistical data, operation of software used for statistical evaluation. Interested candidate can share their resume to the given mail ID. Next, from Acme Generics, they are hiring for regulatory affairs. MPharm with minimum 1 to 2 years, 3 to 4 years, and 5 to 6 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. For officers, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. For senior officers, 3 to 4 years of experience is required. And for the executives, 5 to 6 years of experience is required. Laborate Pharmaceuticals hiring BPharm FRESHERS for manufacturing and production role. Interested candidate can share their resume to the given mail ID. Virgo Clinicals, they are hiring for project management role, but their preference is local and female candidates. So if you are from Goa and if you are a female, then you will be given preferences from the employer side. Any MPharm candidates who are willing to join their project management role, they can share their resume to the given mail ID. And I wish you all the best. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your watching, and happy festival. Enjoy the family time and enjoy your time. Thank you.